Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and doing your studies. So in today's lesson we are going to learn how we can upload a homework on Google Classroom. So this video lesson is basically for all the teachers who are using Google Classroom, and if you want to assign your homework to your class students, then you can use it. So first of all, you have to use any of the browser. You can open any browser whatever you are using. Here I'm using Mozilla Firefox, so I have opened. Then you have to choose your ID, as I have selected my own ID, and then I will type my password. I will type my password. And you have to click on the option of next. So now it will take you into the account of Google Classroom. So if you will you can also open your Gmail account. Okay, so in this way you can also open your Google Classroom. So right now, as you can see, I have multiple classes over here, from class 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then I have playgroup, nursery. Okay, so I have multiple classes here, and if you want to create a class, so first of all let's learn how to create a class. As you can see, this is class 1, and I have sections over here: green, blue, red and yellow. So let's see how to create a class and how to add different members and how we can use it. So first of all, as you can see, this is the icon of plus. Okay, so this icon is basically used if you want to join your class as a student, or if you want to create your own class as a teacher, and then you can invite your different students or your fellows. So I'm going to click on this option of create class. Okay, so as you can see, using Google Classroom at a school with students, so what you have to do, you just have to click on this option of this, and then you have to click on the option of continue. Okay, so here you have to fill the form completely. You have to write your title of the class. For example, let me create this class is for class 9, and then here you have to add your section. Like for example, we have green, comma, blue, and at the end red. You can add multiple sections over here. Then at the end you can mention your subject. If you are studying only English, Urdu, Maths, then you can mention it, and then you can also write room. Then at the end you just have to, I'm going to skip these 2 points, and I'm going to click on this option of create. So my class will be created. It will take some time. Okay, so as you can see, class 9 is created, and I have created 3 sections over here: green, red and blue. So this is your class. So this is your next icon that is related to your classwork. Okay, so first of all, this is your first option, which is with the name of stream. Stream is basically used if for example, if a science or social studies teacher upload a lesson, then all of your lessons will appear on this portion. Right now no one has uploaded a lesson, so that's why there's nothing. So your next option is classwork. So classwork is basically used if you want to assign some assignment, some questions, some topic, or your video lessons, then you can use this portion. So let's see how to create a lesson. So for that purpose, you have to click on this option of create, and here you will find multiple options. So first of all, I'm going to create a topic here. Topic is basically in which subject you are working right now. So I will create 2 or 3 topics. First one is my English, and I will click on this option of add. Okay, so this is your subject of English is added. Okay, I'm going to create one more subject, that is mathematics. So other subject of mathematics is added, and one more subject related to science. Click on add. Okay, so all your three subjects are entered, so you can arrange these subjects. Like if you want to edit these subjects, then you can click on this option of edit, you can change it. Okay, so here if you want to move your topics above or down, then you can use it. Like if you will click on this option of move down, so as you can see your science subject will be moved to the downwards. And if you will click on this option three dots, and you will see move up, so you can move your topic or your lesson above or at your top of the lesson. Then here we have option of rename. Like if you want to change the name, then you can click it and rename it. Next we have the option of delete. If you think this is not the subject we have to study, then you can delete your subject. Okay, and then how we will see how to upload a homework. For example, I want to upload assignment, so for that purpose you have to click on this assignment. Okay, so this is the main interface where you have to work. For example, I want to upload a homework in the lesson of science or in the topic science, so I will type here plants, something plants. You can type or define your topic. Here you can give some instruction to the students. So basically these instructions are optional. If you want to add them, then you have to use them. For example, I will give some instructions over here. Okay, I will type, dear students, revise your unit number 3. Okay, so I have write only here unit number 3. Then here you will see a option of add. So you will also see a option of icon of attachment. So here you have to attach your any link, any file. So I'm going to first of all upload a file. So here you have to select the option from where you want to upload a file. For example, if you will click on this option of recent, so recently used your file will shown here. And if you will click on this option of upload, it will, and you have to click on the option of browse, and it will take you to the list or menu where you are to your computer. For example, I want to upload this picture. Okay, so your picture is uploaded. And here if you want to add some other file, some file of Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, then you can also browse it. Click on the browse, and here click on documents. I will click science water cycle, click on open, and it will be loaded soon. Okay, so here you have to, as you can see, this is your class 9 section will be show here, green, red, blue. So this is basically your all students, your assignment or whatever you will be posting, it will be visible to all your class. Here you want to give your marks to your students. For example, let me say this assignment is of 10 marks. If you want to make it ungraded, then it will be ungraded and there will be not any kind of marks. So it depends on the teacher, he thinks marks should be given or not. So right now I'm going to make it as ungraded. Now I want to do it as a for example, you can mention the due date, like students कब तक इस assignment को submit करवा सकते हैं. So let me say 22nd of January, and you can also mention the time, but time is your optional, it depends on you want to mention it or not. Then you have to select your topic, in which topic you want to put it. For example, this is the topic of science. I will click on science, and here as you will see, click on this option of assign. So your homework will be, or your assignment will be uploaded on Google Classroom. But if you will click on this option of drop down menu, you will find the option of schedule. If you will click on this option, so you can also schedule, like this assignment will be uploaded automatically on this date and this time. कि ये assignment next day को या किसी भी एक selective day को खुद से post हो जाए. आप यहाँ से इसका time और जो date है वो set कर सकते हैं. So इसके अलावा इसमें एक और option है save draft. Like अगर अभी आपको लगता है कि आपकी जो assignment है वो incomplete है और इसमें अगर आपने कोई और फाइल ऐड करनी है या कुछ मटेरियल ऐड करना है, तो आप उसे सेव ड्राफ्ट कर सकते हैं और बाद में उसमें चेंजिंग कर सकते हैं। सो फिलहाल के लिए मैं इसे क्लिक कर रही हूँ असाइन पर, एंड माय assignment is uploaded, and as you can see this is the assignment related to plants and it is appearing in the topic of science. If you will click in the option of stream, so as you can see it is also appearing here on your stream. So next option we have is your people. So first of all we have here two types of people. The first one is your teacher. If you will click on this option of teachers, and then here you have to type your IDs. For example, let me type the ID related to, okay, let me type something, only one ID, and I will click on this option of invite. So one invite will be sent to the teacher's ID. So as you can see invite जो है वो इस टीचर को इनकी ईमेल आईडी पर सेंड हो चुका है। अब ये जो टीचर हैं ये किस तरह से एक्सेस करेंगे, सिंपली अपने मोबाइल में या लैपटॉप में जीमेल अकाउंट ओपन करें और वहाँ से उस पर एक लिंक अपीयर होगा ज्वाइन क्लास के नेम से, सिंपली उस पर क्लिक करें और वो ऑटोमेटिकली इसमें ऐड हो जाएंगे। Similarly, if you want to add students, you can first of all copy the link. This is the easiest method for students as compared to write the names or the emails. Just copy the link and share this link in WhatsApp, in Google Classroom. You can send them as an email. Let me type a link over here. So as you can see this is the link of Google Classroom. When a student will click on this link, so it will automatically take them into the Google Classroom. Okay, so as you can see the same page is appearing on my side. So in this way we can assign homework and add teachers and students to the Google Classroom. Next we have one more option that is related to grades. Grade, right now there is not any kind of option because this is just a practice and none of the student has submitted the assignment, but when students will submit the assignment all the assignments will appear here and we can check them and we can see the performance of the whole class. Okay, if we will click on this option of stream, so as you can see here we can also change the theme. As you can see this picture is appearing right now green. If you want to change the theme or background image, then you can click on this option of upload photo and you can upload any photo with you can also download from the internet or select a photo from your computer. For example this is pictures, so you can choose any one of the picture. So I'm not going to change it right now. You can also change the theme. If you don't want to upload a picture you can change this theme. As you can see this is appearing as green. So if you will click on this option of upload select theme, so it will show a lot of themes related to your subject. For example English and history, you can choose themes over here. This is related to math and science, this is relating to arts, this one is relating to your sports or physical education, and these are basically your mixed themes. You can also use them. Okay, so in this way we can upload a homework and send invite to teachers and students. Okay, so at the end as you can see there is one more code which is written here, class code. So basically when a student wants to join a code, so you have to save this code. As you can see, if I will make it closer, as you can see the code JMBYM34. so you have to save this code, and when a student wants to join, simply just have to give this code to your student's ID. So in this way a student can join a class. So I hope this lesson is clear to all of you.